Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, hermes-agent, which bills itself as the agent that grows with you. This project exploded with nearly 2,000 stars today by tackling the problem of AI amnesia, aiming to create an agent that learns from your interactions and evolves into a truly personalized assistant over time. Imagine an AI assistant that doesn't just answer your questions. What if it actively learned from every conversation to become a better partner for you? A new open source project is doing just that. It's moving past static tools and creating an AI that evolves by learning how to do things, not just what things are. The project is called hermes-agent, from the team at NousResearch. It's a self-improving AI agent built to grow right alongside its user. And this idea is clearly catching on with developers. The project has already racked up over 20,000 stars on GitHub, with a huge surge of nearly 2,000 in just the last 24 hours. With 2,400 forks, it's clear a community is already forming to build on its potential. So, what problem is it trying to solve? Well, most AI assistants today have a kind of digital amnesia. Each conversation is a fresh start. They have no long-term memory and can't learn from what worked or what didn't. For developers, this means constantly repeating complex instructions or explaining the context all over again, especially when switching devices. Before a project like hermes-agent, creating that continuity was a manual chore. It meant piecing together databases, state managers, and a ton of custom code. The big idea behind hermes-agent is its built-in learning loop. This loop is designed to turn the AI from a simple Q&A tool into a smart partner that remembers what it learned across all your devices and sessions. So, how does it actually work? The core philosophy is this closed learning loop, a system for true self-improvement. The project uses a great analogy. Think of a chef who doesn't just follow recipes but invents new ones after a great meal. When the hermes-agent completes a complex task, it studies the steps it took and turns them into a reusable skill. It then fine-tunes that skill over time based on how well it performs. Under the hood, a key piece of tech is its memory system. Instead of a heavy, complex vector database, it uses something much simpler, SQLite with a full-text search extension called FTS5. This lets the agent search its own past conversations and actions incredibly fast, giving it a lightweight but powerful long-term memory. Another critical piece is the unified gateway. This component smooths over the differences between platforms like Telegram, Discord, or even the command line. The result is you can start a chat on your laptop and pick it up right where you left off on your phone, always talking to the same single agent. The real-world applications here are pretty exciting. For a developer, it could be a personalized assistant running on a server, learning their specific workflow and available on any device. AI researchers could use its trajectory generation feature to gather high-quality data for training new models. A small team could set up a shared agent in their Slack to handle common questions or run internal scripts. Even a sysadmin could use it, telling it in plain English to schedule an automated task, like a weekly security audit that reports back on Telegram. Best of all, getting started is easy. A simple one-line installation script takes care of all the dependencies. But it's not all smooth sailing. The agent's autonomy also introduces some very real challenges. That self-improving learning loop is complex. A bug in how it creates new skills could cause the agent's performance to get worse over time, or lead to it learning the wrong things. Even more critical is the security risk. An agent that can execute code is a powerful tool, but also a potential vulnerability. A clever prompt injection attack could trick the agent into running malicious commands on your system. There's also the financial risk of runaway costs. What if the agent decides on its own to use expensive language models or create dozens of sub-agents for a task? Without strict budget controls, that could get expensive fast. In the end, hermes-agent is a significant leap beyond the simple chatbots we're used to. It offers a real glimpse into a future of personalized AI partners that constantly learn and improve. Why should this matter to you? Because it's an open source, controllable alternative to the closed ecosystems out there. It puts the power of an evolving AI directly into the hands of developers.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.